what they have. I want some hamburger. I feel like eating hamburgers today. Yeah. Oh my god, this truck is covering my view. Yeah, this is the view. Surrounding. Pretty much just like a small, you know, business thingy. Okay. So, Jack in the Box. Yun. Nice surrounding. Wala masyado pang tao ah. Alright. Hi guys! Eto, nagmumukbang ako mag-isa kasi wala si mother. Today is Saturday. So, yeah. Naisip-isip ko kung anong kakainin ko talaga. Wala akong maisip talaga. Yung partner ko, mamaya pa raw kami lalabas. So, gutom na ako. Hindi, I feel like wanna eat something. So, and naisip ko naman tong burger from Jack in the Box. Because I love hamburger. So, by the way, ito yung french fries. Yes. See? Marami naman yan, di ba? Try naman natin ang burger ng Jack in the Box. And here's the hamburger. Alright. Malaki naman siya. May lettuce, cheese, ham, and of course the burger. So let's try. Oh wow. Kanina napagod talaga ako. Kasi pupunta ako ng Costco. Namili ako ng konti. I don't know what is this. It's a hot sauce. Oh my god, let's see. Kapal naman din siya, no? Gutom na ako eh. Grabe. Kumusta na mga weekend nyo? It's nice to have bonding with the family, right? Oh. What is this? He said secret sauce. May secret pa. So, let's see. Kasi sabi ko, pahingi ako ng special sauce nila. So, the name of their sauce is secret sauce. So, I don't know why it's secret. So, secret, ayaw nila sabihin ko anong laman, no? Let me see. Yung secret sauce nila, parang laman, parang ano lang eh. Parang Thousand Island. Na parang minix na ng mayonnaise and stuff like that. I didn't do that. Yummers. Ang gulo ng kusina ko. My God. Ang kinuha kong drink, sweetened tea. Ang sweetened tea. Mix natin. There. So you can dip this. Wow. Very good. I like the burger. It's good. I have extra lettuce here. You know me. My partner, he went outside and got some, no, he was his car and get some gasoline. So, solo ko magdaldal. Kasi minsan nandiyan naglalaro eh. Narinig ko yung ano ng keyboard. Di ba? Ingay. Wow. Namimiss ko rin si mama pag hindi ko kasama. Monday ulit. May break. We have break. Sisi Madeline, ang sarap ng kinain mo kanina. Hipon. You love hipon too, huh? I love hipon too. Sis Alma, hello. Sis Annabelle, Pable. Sisi ko, namimiss din kita. Hindi ka na masyado nagmumukbang. Nanay Joy, ingat kayo dyan. Right? Okay? Gutom ako, pero madali akong mabusog. Di ba? Madali din ako mabusog. That's it. Ano ba yun? Naglalaglagan dito. Si Indie Film, Rodney ba yun? ICC. Ganun pala yun, pag yung nag-message ka, tapos may bumuntot sa'yo, mapupunta sa spam yun. Ewan ko ba bakit naman kasi sinasabi pa, pa-add, payaka, that's crazy. So, I hope nakatulong yung na inalis ko. Ang hirap din mag-communication sa YouTube, no? Well, pwede nyo po ko i-add sa Facebook ko kung meron kayong gusto nyo mag-message sa akin ng private. Amy Gonzaga. Sing. I know, it's not. Amy Mahayag yata yung ano ko. Facebook ko. Facebook. Amy Mahayag. Ilagay ko nga dyan sa description. Para kung gusto nyo private message. That would be nice. Right? Alright guys, hindi ko na rin po kaya ang aking stomach. Busog na ako. So, yan lang. Ang naubos ko almost kalahati. And some fries and this one. So, you guys taking care of yourself. Have a nice weekend, guys. So, kita-kits tayo bukas. Bye-bye! Bye!